Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold once again. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully videos are helping your designing process. If they are, please go ahead and hit that subscription. Tap on the notification bell for further content uploads. Leave me a like and drop a comment down below. Last video we did just a squared off gents ring, right? And this time I thought we'd just go ahead and do a beveled edged gents ring or ladies ring, however you want to make it, I guess. There's only really one specific thing, but there's a lot of things we could do after the fact. And actually, I think I'll just put another video up for those things. Don't want to get too detailed in this video. So let's just go ahead and grab a ring rail. I'll just keep it a size 7 for speed's sake. But you can change it any size you want. Now what we'll do is we'll just go to our outside ring rail. Just go ahead and maybe set that up. Don't have to really worry about the top, just like last time. 2.5, 2.5. We'll go ahead and add that out there. We'll go ahead back to our curve, switch to our creation layer, and just grab a box. And again, I'll just use the 10 by 10. So I'll type in 10, enter, 10, enter, and we have that. And we'll grab it, and we will go ahead and center it up. Right. Okay. Now here's one little tidbit, I guess. We'll go to curves, and right now I'll go to my line curve and I'll right click, right? And I'll snap to that end point and hold down shift and bring it out quite a bit because I don't know exactly how far I want to drag it in, maybe. So now I have it there. And in this video here, we're going to be using the 3.11. So it has a little bit extra commands in here. I'm just going to go ahead and select this curve. And now we can do that. Just double click on your rotate, and we can just snap it right there to the line, and now it's in our direction, right? And now we can take it, and the reason why you set it up at this corner is because now you can kind of see how far you're dragging it at 1.0, 1.1. You know, you can see how much angle you're getting into it, right? So you can set it up a little bit more accurate. But that's, you know, it's not, you don't need a specific size there. I guess that's up to you, right? But to get it a little bit more accurate, that's one way to do it. Now I'll just grab that, and we'll go to our transform, go to mirror, parametric, X, Y, and multi, and we'll go ahead and select there. Now we'll just grab all our yellow there, and we'll do some trim action. Let's see, trim. We'll get rid of this. Oh, I don't want that. Let's go back. Oh, no. Cancel. We'll go down here, undo, right? And just grab that, this, and we'll grab these, this, and this. So now we have our top set up. And again, I'm not going to join it together. I'm just going to go ahead and select it and drag it up however far I want it to go, right? So we'll say right around there. All right. And you know, you can measure, get your dimension and measure how high you want it off of there. That's totally up to you. More specifics depending on your customer and your needs, I guess. Now I'm just going to go over here, and I'm going to grab me a line curve, and again I'm going to snap to that outside quad, and we'll just type in a 2 here and enter. Hold down shift so it's locked in there, right? And then I'll just drag it to the down position, or right direct angle there, and I'll right click to bring it back. No, I won't. I'll go to grab it with my left click this time because I only want it one direction, right? And I'll click it, and we'll just say we want a 1 millimeter there. We'll make it a little bit better, 1.5. Lock it in there, and we can angle it at our 45 degree, and then click right there, right? So now we have that set up, and we'll grab that and we'll rotate it. Copy, yes, from F4, and we'll hold down shift to grab it from that angle, and we'll just drag it right down there at the bottom, right? Okay, so we have that set up. Okay, and then again, what we're going to do is grab that poly curve, or that polyline curve. Click on it, and then we'll go ahead and click on our first spot, which will be our center here, right here. And I already have it selected at my arc mode, but you can switch to line mode or arc mode. If you watch the last video, you'll know all about that. And I will just snap it right up in here to this one, and then I will snap it to my mid right there. You can go to your top here and make sure you're grabbing that mid, and then click right there, and then right click, right? So I have that one, and now we'll need to do that again for this bevel edge here. Click here, and actually I don't really need that mid one, to tell you the truth, because we're going to get rid of it. There and there, and then our last bevel edge right here, and right here. Now we're coming up to the point where it's got some changes that we have to do, right? The first one, I want this, sometimes if you do it like this and then mirror everything or stuff like that, you'll get a little indentation right here. So this one, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this all. Well, before I delete that, let's just go ahead and select that, select this, and we'll just go ahead and turn it to gray. Might as well keep it. Why not? It's not going to really affect anything, I don't think. So we have this, and these are all separated out, right? So now what we'll do is go ahead and take the curves, this one here, this one, oh, okay, and we will go ahead. Actually, we just need to rotate this one. So let's just grab this one and mirror it over to our X direction, not our Y. And then click right there. Okay, and then this line, we'll just go ahead and switch it to gray, and we'll just grab another line out there, and we'll snap it to that end, to that end. Now when we do that sweep, it'll be a much better sweep. But as you can tell already, this is where we're getting into the extra steps that we have to do besides drawing those extra. We can see that this kind of comes in there, right? And that's not a good look for us, or that's maybe not what we're going with, right? And this one looks pretty good, but it's still got a line coming. Maybe we don't want that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select that one. We're going to turn on points on it. We're going to select one point, just one, and then type in SELU, and it selects all those points, right? And now we'll go to transform, and we'll go to align. Now this is you want to be in your right side viewport, and you want to go to plane, so it's going to go to this plane right here. It's not going to move anything other than just left and right here on this side, and to plane, and we'll select at the top there, and we'll come down here and snap it to that point down there, and then click, and now that line goes straight, right? So, and you can see this one's more pronounced now. It's got a, if you want that kind of look, I guess that's fine, but if not, all you have to do is the same thing. Go ahead, select that line, grab those curves, select one, it doesn't matter which one, go down to your command line, right click on it, and go back to that select U, SELU, and then go to the align and to plane, and snap to the top, snap to the bottom, boom. Now everything is all straight out, right? And get rid of those points by hitting escape. Okay, so now we have it exactly where we want it, right? So now all it is going back to the sweep 2, parametric. We can go from this line here to this line to that, and to the one down here that we just added in. And again, we don't want any of this over here, and give it some shading maybe if you want it. And then right click to bring back sweep 2. Select this curve here, this curve here, this curve, and then this one down here. Right click. Okay. I must have selected something different. Let's go back. Sweep 2. This rail, this rail, this one. Oh, okay, they're grouped together, so I'm going to deselect those. Just go ahead and escape out. Right click here. I always like to ungroup those. Super select is okay. And we got that. And we'll get rid of all this stuff over here, and now we pretty much have our item for pretty close, right? So we'll grab this one, we'll go to transform, we'll go to the mirror, all 4 directions and multi, so we get on all corners. And then this one we'll just do the normal mirror over to, well, parametric normal, not really changing any commands over here. And now we have everything locked together, right? Okay, so that's all taken care of. So we'll just go ahead and let's see, this sweep 2. You can't select that edge there because there is not one. So we're just going to grab this curve and mirror it over and right click. Now we'll go to sweep 2. Sweep 2, we'll grab this and right click, and we've got that surface and right click, right? We'll grab that surface, transform, mirror it over into our X, not our Y, and now we have our item, right? We'll go ahead and grab all green. We'll go ahead and join everything together, grab our green again, and go straight to surfaces and cap. Okay, so now there's pretty much our item for the most part pretty well done. Now what we want to do is go back and grab that inside, just like we did last time. Grab that inside curve, hover over our ball, hold down shift, drag it out, give it some shading maybe, and then go to solid Boolean difference, this right click, and there we have our item. And you can do the blending and everything else that you might want to do on there. But there you go. It's, you know, it's the same thing. Now you can see we have a kink here going across. There's a way to get rid of that. This video or next video. Let's go ahead and take it and explode the ring here. So we have this surface and this surface, right? And we want to get to one surface, so because maybe we want to turn on points and do some. Right now, all these are, well, this side here. If you mess with this side, it's going to affect all, right? So you can turn on points and edit it and stuff like that. And we have a kink here, but that kink's really not a big deal. But this one, you know, if we go to our surface and we try to match, it's not going to work. Well, merge surface, right? It's a Nurbs surface to Nurbs surface, but we get something like that. And that's not going to really do what we want, right? So what you can do is just go ahead and get rid of those surfaces. Now we still have our curves, right? If we turn them on, they're over here, but let's just go ahead and just leave those off. We could have done this when we originally laid out the lines, take an extra step. But really we can just dupe these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can mirror them or you can just go ahead and grab them. Either way. 2, 3, 4. We'll hit enter and we'll hit join, and then we will go to our curves menu and scroll all the way down there to edit tools, and we will do fit to tolerance, right? Fit to tolerance. Let's complete that and fit to tolerance. Okay, let's go ahead and get so we can see our lines here. Oh, I turned them off. Did I turn them off? Which, okay, this one, yeah, this one. And I think I did the fit to it, so let's hope I did. Let's go ahead and hide green so I can just see everything a little better. This and this one, right? And then we have that one and that one. So we'll go to our surface, sweep 2, 1, 2. And this side, that side, right click, get rid of all this. And it looks like we still have, let's turn that back on, green. And we can type in what? It's a polyester. Okay, so I didn't, it must have done something with those curves. So, but anyway, just grab those curves and make sure they're right click. go to your curves. You want to, it'll get rid of the multi-surface, the poly surface, and then fit to tolerance, and then yes. Okay, now when we do that sweep to here, 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 and here, and get rid of all that, that'll give us a poly surface. Now that's not a poly surface anymore. And if I type it in, what you can see all the way here already, it says open surface. It's a Nurbs surface. So what can you do to Nurbs surfaces? You can turn on points for them, right? So if you wanted to go in and rebuild this surface, 7 points, something like that, and then right click. So now we'll change this to green. If you want to turn on points on this, you can start to manipulate those points if you wanted to get a different kind of look or whatever you're going for. Little indentation on the side or whatever, right? And you can do the same thing over to the other side. So if you grab both of them at the same time, that middle one, right? Grab the middle one here. Grab the middle one over here, holding down shift, and then you maybe want to just drag them in a little. You can start to manipulate that surface with different curves, right? Yeah. Okay, so we'll just get back out of that, grab all our green. We'll see if it joins all together because we did manipulate it a little bit, so we'll see. And we have an open poly surface, and it's probably those curves. So let's go ahead and turn off our yellow, grab it, and we'll just go to our analyze, check our where those edges are. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because we rebuilt that surface, right? Now there's two ways to do this. The easiest one probably is, since it's an even number, 37, 8 naked edges, you can just do the join 2 naked edges and grab that one. Oh, sorry, grab the one and then click on it again. Oh, the other side there, and hit yes. And it didn't really close it off, right? So what we'll do, we'll go back here. Okay, so there's another way that it's probably the way that I would probably do it. It's just go ahead, go to your surface, go down here to match, right? And then what we'll do is we'll match this. Is that a pot? Okay. Match untrimmed surface. Okay, it's not giving me the match. What's this? Oh, okay, it's joined together. Sorry. Explode it, nuke it, need it nuked so that they're individual. And we know that's Nurbs surface. If this one you're not sure, just type in what? Nurbs surface. So now we can do that match. Make sure it's exploded, and we'll just grab this edge. What's going on? What? Oh, okay. Grab this edge here, this edge here. And make sure it's on position if you want to keep that sharp edge, right? And then right click. So now that's matched, and we'll come over to our other side match, grab this one and this one. And again, if you want it sharp, if you want it tangency or something where it's going to put a little curve on it, you can do that. But in this case, we want to keep it positioned so it's nice and sharp. And then I also have average, so it's going to take the average of this surface and make it equal, and then match edges by closest control point. And then I have refine, but I don't think you really need refine on this. And then hit enter, right? Now if we take all green and we join it together, hit OK. It's still an open surface, but those edges are closer together. So we should be able to, I didn't do it to the other side, so that's why. But let's just go ahead and try for 2 points, 1, 2, and check. Yeah, see that one, it works a lot of times, but sometimes it gives you that. Might be better just to go to your surface and then do the from object match. Oh yeah, I gotta undo. I keep on forgetting to explode. Let's turn this off. And we'll just right click down here, go to match surf. This edge. And we'll hit OK. And this edge over here. Just close everything up. Oh, there we go, better view. And okay. All right, now let's grab everything, all green, join it together, and we should have a closed poly surface, which we do right here. And then there you go. You've got your little design with a little, I mean, you can manipulate this like crazy. You can do the same thing here. You can do the same thing there. So there's lots of manipulation you can do on it very easily, very quickly. So hopefully this helps getting, and again, if you wanted to keep this model, you just select it, put it in collections, bring it back, and you can, someone was mentioning about where do you find the, it's in the resize ring. Is in the tools menu right here, resize ring. You can also just type it in right up in here, ring resizer, and it'll pop up in the icons that you can choose from. But there you go. Hopefully that helps, and if it does, leave me a like, comment, and share the content. And I'll try to maybe get a little bit more, because there's some cheating we can do that I haven't talked about that kind of sets a lot of it up for you in advance if you're needing to manipulate maybe not just straight edges, but you can do other without using the advanced signet ring rebuilders. Hard to explain. It's probably better to show, as always, but hopefully this helps, and if it does, leave me a like, comment, and please share the content to help others. Thanks for watching, and good designing.